Okay, good, it's not Sterling.
Each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the following
I think WXM33 tested. How did this not go off on here?
Will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in southeast North Carolina: Bladen, Brunswick, Columbus, Pender, and New Hanover. This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Public Warning Alarm System. We now return you to the normal program schedule.
Could have kept that on.